everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with the little project share. I found this die and I wasn't too sure what it belonged to, so I decided to die cut it, and I was like, let's try this out. So apparently this is a box. I do not know who the who the maker of this was. I just found it in my stash. Anyways, so what did I end up doing? I just die cut it that. I'm assuming it might be a box. I die cut it two pieces. Took me a while to figure out what goes with what, and I ended up creating this cute little box. I did use some items from my stash. So I believe this was gifted to me. I don't remember who. I apologize again. And I just put some extra hearts in here, put hugs and kisses, and then I will show you guys what I also ended up creating. I had made these a few days ago or last weekend, and aren't these cute, you guys? So this, I believe, is supposed to be a butterfly in my eyes. I hope you guys can see it. Oh my goodness. So there you go. No, I think this is the way it goes. There you go. I did it backwards. No, there you go. Anyway, so I was so inspired by somebody that had gifted me one. And this is theirs. And isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So I apologize. I cannot remember who gifted me these because, you know, I always forget. I don't put names on stuff. I just take it out of the box, and I'm starting just to put stuff away. So I think, yeah, this is the way. Maybe I should just put some of these things on here. Anyways, so look at this. Isn't that cute? I hope whoever receives it understands what I made and likes them. Anyways, so somebody had gifted me these rolled flowers, and I went ahead and rolled them, and I just put them together. This one, I think this was once one of them's, and this one, I think it's mine. I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, so I'm finding stuff, yeah, in my craft room that I haven't used, I haven't touched, and I am starting to play with them, you guys. So you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch, and you guys, hope you guys like this, and just take out those dies and use them up. Anyways, thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.